Hey guys, at my FX right here. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, we are going to do all the usual weekly market forecast for the week of the 17th first of June. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do well. Smash the subscribe button, like, and starting up with gold. And for gold, we can see gold has been having a very nice push to the upside of 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 months of bullishness. We are on the monthly time frame here. You can see that gold has been higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and gold has more like been ranging on this zone until we thereafter had that breakout up there. Okay, so which most of you that are my and people that have been following us over the weeks for market review forecast know that price does not move like so in a straight line. Okay, so we are more like looking for a push to the downside. So more like if it goes scale down to like that gold has been ranging for some weeks or for some months. Okay, since April, right? This area gold has been ranging on the area like so. Okay, I'll be having range between this gold for since April till okay, so apparently we are looking for gold to the downside, but where is the best place possible for us to take gold bearishness from to the downside? Okay, so looking at the daily time frame here on the daily time frame, I would love to and see there's an area here. Okay, you can see there's an area here in which gold has respected several times. That area gold has respected several times, so I'm hoping for gold to break out of that area or something like this, like a break, a retest, push continuations, next zone of the 2188 level, back area level there. Okay. But where is the best way also on part time frame for us to take? Where are the nearest minor zones? Okay, if you come here on the daily time frame, sorry, on the 4 hour time, you can see that gold is quite sick, very nice, like healing. Gold could at the upside. Okay, so now we are looking for gold to first of all, okay, either we are looking for more like a buy sell scenario, okay, for gold to push up to the next level of the 2354 area, okay, 2054 area, push to the downside, okay, from all the way to the downside. Or if this does not happen, look for gold. Gold still has the possibility of start selling from the zone all the way to the downside, which is our first level target. Then before we can go all the way to the next zone, which I showed you guys here. We need to do basically one zone after the other. Okay, so that's actually it. That's actually it on gold. So what I will be looking for on gold, what I will be looking for on gold is more like a buy to sell scenario. Okay, go to either sell from this phase zone or push up to the upside and respect this second supply level up here before first level target 2297, or we can go all the way to the 211 area, which is supply index DXY, which we know that DXY is the average gauge that we use to measure the price move of the dollar and every other pair that is traded with the dollar. Okay, for some weeks ago previously, weekly market forecast YouTube and even on our free live sessions that we did hold on our Telegram community. Okay, did speak about this live our free Telegram community. So if you are not on our free Telegram community, please do well to click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. There we use to send free profitable house guys. So and also join part of us. Okay. So this move here, this bullish move here was from high on Wednesday. We had another move here, price covering up this imbalance. I may not be speaking so much about it on this video. So that's why you have to join our if you like the way that we trade and you wish us Okay, so I've been looking for price for these weeks to come. I've been looking for price to respect these areas and pushing to the upside, which price has been maintaining that upward movement and currently respecting the second level and pushing to the upside. Also predicted this, on which I'm going to add the screenshot somewhere around in this. What should we be looking for on the coming weeks? The DXY. Okay, why do we analyze the DXY? Is so that if you can understand the price movement of the DXY, you can have it right on other pairs. It will be more easier for us to analyze other pairs. Okay, so what this is what I will looking for. I will be looking for more like a sell to buy on the DXY price to push into this zone. Okay, to confirm this zone as a strong level, right? And thereafter, sorry, let me do it again. Price to push into that zone, then a push continuations to the upside to the 106 level, all the way to the upside. Okay, so that will be what I would be looking for the DXY. That's actually a second level. Our first level is the 100% retracement level, which is a 105 here. Second level is a 106 level, all the way up there. So we are looking for buy, more like a buy to sell scenario. But what if price does not react from this area to the upside? Right, we still have another minor level here. Price could still want to, very funny enough, to back to this level, before it continues. So these are two levels that we are looking for bullish continue to the upside on the DXY. So up next is Euro USD. Euro USD, we have been predicting the bullishness, the bearishness on the Euro USD. Have been catching both the buys and the sells during CPI and off CPI. We had our levels being marked out, okay, in which price has clearly respected. We wanted price to break out of this zone, and we can now see how price came into that zone and put all the way to the. So that's the ability of using our strategy and a key confirmation. This also we also sent as a free on a free Telegram community, which a lot of people were so happy and made money use our signals, which I'm going to add it somewhere around. Okay, so so continuing for this week, okay. So for this week on the DXY, let's check from the daily time frame to see our levels. Sorry, on Euro USD. Right, let's see our levels on Euro USD. So what I'm going to do, looking left, I'll extend this level like so, and I'll extend this one like so. Right, so looking from the daily time frame, right? So I'll be looking for a little bit push to the zone, a little bit push buy to sell scenario to first level could be this minor level. There's a minor level here. Let me put a line there so that you guys can also see the minor level there, like so. Right, there's a minor level there. First level is the 1.065 area. Then we can go all the way to the 1.060 area. Okay, a buy to sell scenario. Let's scroll down to our 4-hour time frame, have a better picture. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is on the 4-hour, you guys can now see it more clearly. Okay, price, we have some price close, we have some two bullish candle close as at Friday. Okay, so we are looking for price to come back, respect this key level, this major key level, then come all the way to the 1.06 area, or it can go all the way to the 1.00 area. Okay, these two levels, bearishness. But what if price does not react or start pushing to the downside from this level? All right, so looking left, we have another minor level here all the way up here. So we will push of bullishness inside this second zone of the 1.07 area. So more like buy to sell scenario or then back to outside. So these are actually our two levels for taking sales for UAUSD. I'm not really seeing any more so much of buys for next week, but I would really actually avoid the buys because just like you guys can see, they are very strong key levels that are very close to each other. So it won't be giving me so much of pips to the upside. Okay, I only trade those retracements that gives me so much bigger pips to the upside, like the one we had here on CPI. Okay, so these are the two levels for ourselves on Euro USD. Up next is GDP USD. GDP USD is of no difference, okay? Is of no difference too. We have been trading GDP USD, has also sent signals on GDP USD a free Telegram community. A lot of people also make money. So what are we looking for here? So we can look in left here, we can see there's a zone, a major zone here that been Macau price has respected over 3 to 4 times, right? Like 5 times actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 time here. So what would we be looking out for is be patient enough for price to play here. Okay, we should be patient enough. Let me bring the arrow down there. Price to play here, retest that zone, then push all the way to our 1.260 area. Okay, for what's it called, for GDP USD, or and also see more push to the upside. Yeah, push to the upside to the 1.2 1.27 area, then we can still go for the sales right there. Okay, but what I'm going to adjust this a little bit, going to adjust this a little bit in that zone like so. And so these are 2 levels for bearishness. You can also mark out these levels on your PC or on your phone, or so that you can know where to take signals or take the trade sales, and using your own strategy. Or if you want to trade like us or use our own strategy, and click on the link on the description below, join our free Telegram community or join our mentorship. Right, up next is USDJPY. USDJPY, we have been very much bullish on USDJPY from time. We have been very bullish the month of May, the first week of May, which was the 1st of May. Here we had like 2 trades that we took on USDJPY. Have been very much bullish. Then even here, so a lot of money. So not taking much of your time, and see there's a strong key level here. Price has been reactive. Okay, so price has already reacted of that area. Okay, so we are looking for price to continue pushing up to the one, right, up to the 159 area, which is the blue line up there. More bullish continuation for USD JPY. Okay, the last but not the least, the AUD USD. AUD USD last week has price has been more like ranging, just like the gold, the DXY has been ranging too at some point. Okay, USD actually ranging. So we had these nice sales that we took last week during the week, right? So what I'm gonna do is bring down this price, okay, bring down to the downside. So I'll be looking for price to retest this zone again and push all the way to our 0.65 all the way. We are looking for more bearishness on most of this space. Why is this so? Because the DXY, we are looking for bullishness. Right, so if you're still watching this video to this very moment, please do well to smash that subscribe button, like, share, and also drop a comment on the comment section if you're seeing the same thing that we are seeing, or even though you're seeing something different, also drop it on the comment section so that we can also share on what you know. Yeah, and if there are any other forex educational videos I would love us to make, please drop it too on the comment section, and please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys on the other side. Cheers.